Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Bpytop package is not available on Ubuntu based repository, so you can install it by running the following command as shown. Then install Bpytop as shown. Also, you can install it by the snap method. But if you have the next error, you need to use the following command to install Python dependencies that will help you to work with it. When everything is installed, run the following command and Bpytop will be launched as shown. Here you can look at all information and all the programs that are running in your system. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.